Okay, family, when were y'all gonna tell me that I was getting a little chubby? I literally got up one morning, took a look at myself in the mirror, and said, Sis, we need to get this together. And the worst part is, summer is already here, so I don't even have time. But that's okay. I have an amazing all-in-one machine that I'm gonna show you all that has literally changed my fitness life forever. And the great part is, I never ever have to step one foot out of my house to get back in shape, get back healthy, and get my sexy on. So before we get into the video, I want to say thank you to Ike for sponsoring today's video. This is an all-in-one machine that once you have it, you'll never have to leave your house for another workout. If you like weights, the machine can go from 0 pounds to whatever pounds you need just by a click of a button. You can do many of the free workouts, program your own workout, or follow the instructors right on the screen. And if you're like me and you like to have fun and do a little bit of HIIT, and you like cardio, the machine has it all for you. You can play some of the fun fitness games, whether it's dancing, moving your entire body, or whatever you like. If you like yoga, HIIT, Pilates, you name it, they have it. Like I said, my favorite part is you get to look at yourself in the mirror as you work out. You can also move the machine with ease from room to room just by rolling it. So the possibility of this workout machine is truly endless, and I really believe that this is the jumpstart and motivation that I need to further my health and fitness journey. All right, y'all, I got my stuff. Look at it. That's the bench. And that is the mirror, the workout equipment. So as you can see, I'm putting it in my office for now. I don't know if this is where it's gonna stay, but I'm gonna try it out here and see what it looks like. This is pretty tall. This is nice. I'm really, really excited. I need to get the body to body, and I think this is gonna do it. Look at me versus it. I'm pretty tall. No, I'm not tall. I'm short, but you get the idea. But I'm super excited. I'm about to get my workout on. All right, so we're gonna do this first. But hold on, can I move this? Let me see if I can move it. I'm wondering if I should do this first. No, let's do the small one first. Whoa, it's pretty heavy. Kind of. All right, I got my handy dandy scissors. Just gonna go ahead and pop that off. Okay. This is the fitness bench. Okay, so I'm gonna lay this down. Woo! Okay. Ooh, I love the bench. See how it blends into the acid wall? Love that. All right, so, it's pretty heavy. Ugh. All right. Oh, this is so pretty. You know how when you have a really, really nice workout outfit, it makes you want to work out? Like your shoes, your outfit, everything matches. It makes you want to work out. Same thing with the equipment or the gym or the location. If it looks good and it feels good, it's going to motivate you. So anyway, I love the feel of this. So let's go ahead and finish taking it off. I'm going to gently lay it down. I don't know if I'm supposed to do that, but I'm going to do that. And this is exactly why I need to start working out, because why am I breathing so hard? Just unboxing something. So the manual tells you everything you need to know. It tells you how to expand it, how to use like the small equipment, put it up, put it down. Yeah, this is something definitely important to keep throughout the time when you have the equipment. Okay, let's keep going. All right, so I think I figured it out. To open it, we have these buttons here. You have to push it in, then that's how you can lift it up. And then the button comes out. It's up and it's stuck. All right, let's do this one. You push it in, pull it up, and then you release it. And now we're stuck. I'm ready to get a 6-pack, y'all. I want to be on somebody's beach all summer. And I know I'm a little late, but like I said, I have motivation now, okay? So maybe we can do some workout videos together, you guys. Comments workout if you want to see some workout videos. Ugh. Yeah, this is bad. This is embarrassing. baby. All right, y'all, our bench is ready. It's so pretty. And as I was telling you guys, it matches the acid wall. Okay, so as you can see, it has different grooves. So all of those grooves are different functions. I can sit here with my weights and I can do this. I feel the burn already. I don't want to show you guys my workout moves because y'all gonna steal it. Y'all gonna steal it. Now for the star of the show, drum roll please. Our mirror. This we have to be careful with because it's a mirror. But let's do it. We got this. Whoa.
Read.
Okay, so slow moment. It says turn counterclockwise to open. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I just keep moving it. There we go. Oh, it's nice. All right, ready, guys? All right. I love how it's honestly easy to unbox. I do not like complicated stuff because it just, to me, it takes the fun out of it. You know what I mean? It's legit a 1, 2, 3 step, but be careful because it has parts in hidden places. More parts in hidden places. This is the core. Okay, it's getting serious, y'all. Whoa, okay. Another hidden compartment. Let's see. Oh, this is a skill. Is this a skill? You telling me I can work out and weigh myself and have a bench? Okay, I'm sold. Just like that, I'm sold. It's well protected. I'll tell you that. Okay, so I'm gonna call for help for this one because I'm not even gonna lie, I can't do this. Only because I don't want to break it. I would feel really bad if I broke my machine. I'm gonna sneak though. I want to sneak and see what it looks like. Okay. Let's get some help real quick. All right, so I have to get some help with that. The thing is heavy, I'm not gonna lie. Because I don't want you guys to see the magic when you get yours. And you're like, either Mercy is really strong or she lied to us. Anyway, now let's get to the good part. Let me move it up for you guys. If I can. We'll try to move it. And I can, so never mind. All right, ready? 1, 2. I'm trying not to put fingerprints on it. It's an actual mirror. All right, ready? Wow. Okay, moment of truth. Oh, this is so satisfying. Oh my goodness, it's a legit mirror. Oh. You guys hear that? Ooh. All right, y'all, it is a legit, look at this. It's a legit mirror. So if I'm doing my workouts, I can see myself. It goes all the way down. This is the bottom part and I haven't like extended it yet, but this is what the front looks like. I can see myself in the mirror. Oh, look at that. Look at that, yes, woohoo. And I have my bench back here. Yes, hello. Okay, family, so once you connect it to your Wi-Fi, as you can see here, it's connecting or it's updating. So I just have to wait a few minutes, but our mirror is on. This is so cool, y'all. Once it's done, I can open it up and I can show you guys the full thing, but it's so cool, y'all. Look at this. The lighting is not doing it justice because it's kind of late outside. Not late, but it's getting dark outside a little bit. But I'll show you guys a proper view of it once everything is done. Okay, so we're almost done. We're at 85%. All right, so now it wants me to put my email in. I'm gonna show you guys how to extend this part. I have it on my extension cord right now, so ignore that. I hate wires and it's bothering me, but that's okay. For the sake of the video, let me go ahead and show you guys. So once you have your equipment out of your box, you plug it in, you turn it on. It has these two buttons. These are very important. But yeah, to continue, you just gotta put in your email to set up a login for yourself. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then I'll show you guys how to extend that. Or you can log in via the QR code. So you can actually scan that, or you can put your email in. Either way, you're gonna be able to log in. So now it's gonna ask you to create a password. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in my password, confirm my password, and then we'll be able to log in. All right, family, so once you put your email, create a password, something you can remember, it'll bring you here. And as you can see, it's only 3 steps to signing up. So we're at step number 3, and it's asking for my name. You can put whatever name you want to put in there, your alter ego, your real name. So I'm gonna put, yeah, I guess I'll just put my name. You can select an avatar once you put your name in. All right, y'all, so this is the final step. Once you put in all your login information, it's gonna send you an email and you gotta go to your email to confirm it. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, family, so once you get to this, it's gonna ask you about your level. For me, I'm a beginner, so I did beginner, and I'm gonna be doing 3 workouts a week. And then I chose all of the workouts that I wanna do. So yoga, HIIT, cardio, things like that. So you can choose all of that. And then once you finish that, it's gonna bring you here, and it's just more learning stuff about the system. You can go through it, watch the videos, see the screen control, just as it says there. Let me come here so you can see. Okay. So this is how you extend that, okay? It just has a button right on the side. Pretty simple. You push that, and then it's gonna extend. All right, here we go. So this is the bench. Let me show you guys some of the functions. So on the longer side of the bench, it has a button here. You push that button. Okay, so this will make your bench go up. But here's the cool part. Once you're up, then you can push the button on the right-hand side. Use your body, so slide it back all the way to where you want it. So now we're at about a 90-degree angle. And then I can do my workout. And then to push it back, pull it and just slide up. And then we're gonna lock it. Now it's locked, okay? Make sure it's locked. And then I can do my other workouts. Do my push-up. That's it. Okay, so back to our equipment. This is our equipment. Everything we need is on here. So that's my avatar. It says my name. And you can have multiple members of the family sign up. So this is my profile. It has my weight. It has my height. It has my age. It has everything that is geared towards me. So this is personally for me. And then it has all the days of the week. Ooh, it's very sensitive. It has all the days of the week. You can do an AI coach. You can do different courses. You can do programs. You can do a whole lot of things. And it also has free workouts. So these are some of the free workouts. As you can see, the bench actually can go on here for me to do a lot of these workouts. So see how the guy is laying there? I can put my bench there. See the things he has in his hands? That's what's in the skinny box, but we'll get to that later. I can use the bench by itself. I can use the extension again. It comes with the equipment. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. Or I can do it with just my own hands. You can customize your moves. So let's click one and see. Let's click one of these. There we go. So look at that. It has different things. It tells you everything you need to know, how you need to do it. Circle arms for 30 seconds. Like, it literally has it set up for you. You don't even have to think. You can just get on it and go. The first one, circle arms, 1 set for 30 seconds. And then 1 set for 30 seconds, 1 set for 30 seconds. You can customize your moves. You can do it how you want. This is pretty cool, y'all. Like, I feel really, really fancy with this. And who doesn't want their own fitness teacher right in their home, and you can look at yourself as you work out? That is motivation. You can play music, you can do classes. Like I said, let's go back here. You can do an AI coach, you can do courses, you can do the free workouts, you can do your own workout plans, and they have all the resources you need. See that? This is really, really cool. You can do cardio, strength, and you can scroll through. You can do your own plan. Like, this is really, really nice, y'all. I'm very impressed with this. Because it's your account, it has all of your body information and it's gonna keep it. So you can generate a course. You can tell AI what you wanna do, what your goals are, what your level of, I guess, strength is, and it'll build you a whole course. It'll generate a whole course for you. The list goes on and on. You can tell it your lifestyle. You can play games on here. Your kids can play games on here. Personalize your own wallpaper. I like this. Ooh, I like the flower, actually. I love how sensitive it is. I love how you can just touch it and it doesn't glitch. It just goes. It's fast. Like, it doesn't play with your emotions. You can play games. You can do some dancing. Oh, that I can do. That I can actually do, because that's a workout. Woo! Okay, so you can choose which one you want. Oh! It shows you? This is so cool! Okay, that is cool. There is so much more I can tell you guys about this machine, but just know that it is worth every single penny. With that, I want to say thank you to IQ for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check out the description box for all of the info on this machine. Thank you all again so much for watching. I love you all, and I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.